Hi everyone, it's Pear, and today I will be showing you guys how I created my journal playlist spread. To start off, I used my PoooliPrinter L1 and L2 models. The L1 model I used to print out the words journal playlist on semi-transparent sticky paper, and I used the L2 model to print out a picture of pears on some regular thermal paper. As you can see, the picture came out very clear and defined, so I was very happy about that. And you can really see all the details and the depth of the picture, although there's no color. And right now I'm just cutting off the excess thermal paper that I won't be using in my spread. And I was cutting this text to the shape that I wanted it to be. Some of you guys may be wondering what the difference between the L1 and L2 model is. And they do both have a free app that connects to Bluetooth, as well as 24 hours of battery life, and it comes with a micro USB port. And the main difference is actually the quality. The L1 model prints at a speed of 200 dpi, and the L2 model prints at a quality of 300 dpi, which is really useful when you're printing out something that really needs high definition. So at this moment, I have begun to lay out my spread, and I'm just beginning to draw some little doodles here and there, and that really remind me of my June cover page, which of course is pears. And I'm using my Jelly Roll PH pen in the 1.0 size to add some details here and there. And right now I'm deciding the layout of my spread, as well as writing down all of the songs that I love at this time, even though it probably will change very soon. Oh, and by the way, I am using the Pilot .38 pen, the Pilot Juice .38 pen, which I prefer much over Muji. I'm sorry, don't come at me. The ink just flows better and has a better consistency, which I find very useful in my day-to-day life, since I use black pen literally every day and I need my pen to work with me. So again, I'm checking the layout of my spread, and I decided that I actually didn't like the original layout, and that is perfectly okay because my creativity is just flowing and I am just allowing my journal to do whatever expresses me at the moment. And so here's me laying out the spread that I thought was going to be the final way I was going to do it. And so I'm adding some more doodles here and there. Just little random doodles that make me happy and of course reflect my June theme. Oh, and by the way, both the L1 and L2 models print at a speed of 50 millimeters per second or 2 inches per second, which is pretty fast if you ask me. So this little cute, adorable printer is so convenient, and it's portable, and you can literally print out anything you want so quickly, and I just love the multi-purpose functions that this printer has. And if you buy sticky paper, you can also print out little organization labels, so this really can be used throughout your day-to-day life. So right now I'm just gluing down my spread elements that were just paper and aligning them to how I like. Oh, and I also added a little strip of washi tape at the end, which will be shown later. And right now I am struggling so much to peel the sticky back off the semi-transparent paper, and that's because I recently cut my nails, which made it so difficult to peel it off. But when I had longer nails, or if I had gotten something sharp to help me peel off the back, it definitely would have been faster. But I finally got it after a long time. And again, the high quality definition Pear picture was from the L2 model, And the little transparent paper that says journal playlist is from the L1 model. So I'm just adding a few more doodles at the bottom to make the space feel really filled up, and adding some final touches using my Jelly Roll PH pen.